Hey guys, I'm back at my tent, my homestead. Um, Today was somewhat productive. Not really though. Couldn't get much of anything done with charging devices. I got a little bit done at the Walmart sitting by the soda machine. It's just so crazy there, but we look like we've got some rain coming and we're supposed to have some pretty bad storms here in the south. I don't know how far deep south, but guess what? I found these things at Walmart. Shame on me. But they are very good. I would like to try one in a microwave. Now, this appears to look like caramel on top. This looks like runny caramel. So, we're going to show you what it really looks like when it is being opened up. Goodness, get my shirt right here. Okay, so here's the package. And so, when you open it, and they're just a little over $3 a box, I think. And eight mini ones come in it. So this is what it looks like. That is a big difference compared to, but I guess whatever. It is what it is. So then when we open it up, I guess it would be runny if you microwaved it. mm. I do not need many of those. I will definitely have sugar diabetes. I just figured, why not splurge a little? Since I haven't in a while. To not eat much junk food. Anyways, I hope everyone's having a good day while they're really sweet. I'm hoping tomorrow is going to be a lot more productive. So I'm going to sit here in my tent. I'm going to watch a little bit of videos over here on my tablet. And all you guys stay safe out there. Much love from me to you all. Bye.